Hey everyone, welcome back to Shanghai, China. It is Friday, the 31st of January 2020. It's quite early here in the morning. Well, 9 AM, that's early for me. Because, as you might remember, a couple of days ago, I went to buy some fresh fruit and veggies and found that stocks were not meeting demand. So a lot of people have suggested heading down earlier in the morning to try and grab something. So we'll see what it's like. But first I want to talk about the big news. Last night, China time, the World Health Organization declared the current coronavirus outbreak a medical emergency of global importance. What does that mean? Well, I was a bit optimistic to begin with. It sounds scary, but actually I think it's a good thing. What they'll do is really create some guidelines for other countries in dealing with this situation. They said it's nothing at all to do with what's going on here in China, i.e. The response and the way the government here are dealing with it. They said it's more to do with helping poor and middle GDP countries to cope with the condition if it arrives at their shores, which it already has in more than a dozen countries. So I'm optimistic about what's going to happen. Now, last week they said that the situation didn't yet warrant the title of health emergency of global importance, and a few people were a bit miffed about that, but I did find out that they have done so 5 times before, and all in quite recent history, including Ebola, the Zika outbreak, so it's not unprecedented. As for us here in China, here in Shanghai, the situation is still quiet. The cases are still slowly rising, and today I'm working from home, so there's still no idea when we're going to head back to work and when things will return to some semblance of normal, whatever that is. So I'm still waiting to see. Now we're about to head into my local supermarket. Actually no, first let's go get a mask. Okay, we're back here again. What seems like the 50th time to buy masks. Okay, things were a little heated in there, as you just heard. Sorry, I couldn't film, and then they asked me what I was doing. So I turned the camera off, but the police officer in there said tomorrow I need to come back again for masks and reserve a number. Only then can I get some masks, which is different from the days prior, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Hopefully the situation's a little bit better in my supermarket today. So it's 9 in the morning, and everyone has been telling me you need to get to the supermarkets early if you want to get something. They have the stock, it just goes early. Early bird catches the worm, everyone says. Well, the stock level is even less than what it was 2 days ago. So clearly the situation hasn't improved much. It may have worsened, at least in this supermarket here near my home. Let's go to the fruit and veggie market and have a look there. It's almost exactly the same situation as the other day. The same market stalls are here selling fruit and vegetables, and we still have no fresh meat. Early in the morning, no fresh meat. Okay, so I'm heading home in a similar situation as 2 days ago. But today I'm feeling just a little bit worried about the situation here. Probably because tensions were high over there at the drugstore. Doesn't make you feel good. But I guess it's just human nature. Maybe the situation is fine. And maybe supermarkets in other areas are fully stocked. But definitely going down early didn't work. So yeah. It's back home now to do some work. sit around with my cats and wait to see what happens tomorrow. So I'll see you guys then.